Hi guys, Mark here. Today I would like to talk to you about Indiana Jones et le Temple de Peril. I'm going to apologise right there because I think I probably butchered the French, but what can you do, it's the best I can do. Anyway, if this is your first time on this channel, please consider subscribing, liking the video, and leaving a comment. If you are a returning viewer, I just want to say thank you very much, I really do appreciate it. Now, back to Indiana Jones. I have ridden this ride once and I thoroughly enjoyed it, although I did think it was a little bit short. And when we go back to Disneyland Paris next month, hopefully, I will certainly be riding it again. So if you have never been to Disneyland Paris and you're going to go for your first time, or if you're going to go back, I do have another video which is 5 tips, tricks for first time visitors. What I'll do at the end of the video, I'll put a link to that right there, and that way you can check that out. So anyway, let's get on with it and talk about Indiana Jones and the Temple de Peril. Temple de Peril. Yeah, my French is not good. Located in Adventureland, Indiana Jones et le Temple de Peril opened on the 30th of July 1993. Designed by Disney Imagineers and built by Intamin, it was the first roller coaster in a Disney theme park to feature an inversion. And it was the first ever thrill ride in a Disney park to have a track gauge wider than 50 inches, at 55 inches. At a height of 59 feet and a length of 2,000 feet, reaching speeds of 58 km/h, this is a proper thrill ride. In 2000, the Imagineers at Disneyland Paris wanted to make some changes to the ride. They removed the torches that illuminated the stairwell, and they decided to make the ride run backwards. This lasted until 2004, when they decided to restore it to its original direction. Another change in 2000 was increasing the capacity in the 2-car train from 8 to 12 passengers. This was not an easy task as the cars were already close to the maximum weight, so they had to reduce the weight of the cars to compensate for the extra weight of 4 more riders. On January 2014, the ride was closed for refurbishment and reopened in May of the same year with a slightly larger loop and real stone structures to aid with the theming. You are on an exhibition to Le Temple de Peril. Making your way through an abandoned base camp, you then come to the stairs of the temple. You ascend the stairs to emerge at the entrance to the temple. Your goal, to put back previously removed artefacts. You enter a mine car and whip around the mine track. See what I did there? You whip around. Indiana Jones? Whip? No? Okay. Anyway, you whip round the mine track, avoiding falling debris to replace the artefacts. It ends up going out of control and upside down, but ultimately, you save the day and replace the artefacts. Let's have a look and enjoy the ride. Okay, so that was Indiana Jones El Temple de Peril. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, remember to like the video and subscribe. And also, like I was saying before, the Disneyland Paris, if it's going to be your first time and you want some tips, that's the link right there. Okay, that button there is for you to subscribe, and 2 videos here are some of my previous ones that you might enjoy if you've enjoyed this one. So, that being said guys, see you next time, bye!